So we're going to give you an update with the farm. So this is it, needs to be all cable managed. I've moved some stuff around so I can work in here and get that done. But yeah, so I'm going to have to fix these up. Plus I need to build another PC today because we'll have some new cards doing. So I'm going to complete this build here today. Stay tuned for that. I'll do that now. So we got it up and running. We'll mess with some BIOS, change some settings, and I will take you into some Windows settings for mining. My bad, stay tick for a second, we'll go straight into the computer now.